What's up, everybody? Jay Miller bringing another productivity in tech quick tip. And just like the last one we did, this one's also going to be in Alfred. I'm really loving Alfred and all the amazing things that it can do. If you want more about that, you can head over to the last video that we did showing some of our recording setup. But this time I'm actually going to show you how I do my screenshots. And this is kind of a new system for me. I'm trying it out. I actually just got a new computer. I'm really excited about that. And as I was setting things up, I was wondering, there has to be a better way for me to quickly take screenshots without doing a lot of mouse movement. I kind of like to keep my hands on the keyboard as much as possible. So I came up with this quick three-step system here. And it's really easy. All I do is type in SH, and then depending on what I press with enter, I get three options for how to take screenshots. As we can see here, Shift, it doesn't say it on here, but Shift does a selection screenshot, so I can just do a little clip out. Command does a window screenshot, so I can screenshot like a whole window. And then just the enter does a full screen screenshot. Now what happens is, as you noticed, when I hit SH and enter, it not only copies it to the clipboard in case I want to paste it later, it will then also save it to my screenshots folder that I usually keep on my desktop. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly all the steps that were required. Instead, I'm just going to give you the quick hits as to what I did to make it happen. In fact, once you do one, you can really go in and do the others. Now, I have to preface this with saying the tools that I use were one called Screen Capture. It's a built-in Mac terminal command that I use for my scripting. And all it does is just take a screenshot from the terminal. It's a really cool idea. And then the other item was something called pngpaste, which you will have to install before you run this. pngpaste is really cool. It just lets you capture a ping image from your clipboard and save it to a file. I don't have a link for that on the video, but I will include that link in the description below so you can download that as necessary. You can also just use the command. In fact, I'm not going to give you the link. I'm just going to give you the command to install it yourself. And we're going to talk a little bit about that, because before you can run this, you have to pull that file. And what I did was I used a tool called Homebrew. Now, Homebrew is really cool. It allows you to basically treat your Mac like it has a package manager. If you're used to Linux, you're used to operating with a package manager where you can say, hey, download this thing and make it run. And that's what we did. We said, hey, brew install pngpaste, and it downloaded everything we needed to get that running. But we're not here to talk about Homebrew, we're here to talk about the system. So basically what we do here, and like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail about it, but what we're going to do is when we open up our window, we have a keyword here. And the keyword is just sh, and what I did was I made it so that it did not take any arguments. And then I created a bash script. And that bash script is really simple. And in fact, it is just, we'll add that there. It's just that command. Let's move our camera a bit so you can read the whole thing. Bingo, there you go. It's that command right there, screen capture -C. And all that does is save it to the clipboard. And then the next line is the path to pngpaste. And then let's save it to the desktop screenshots folder, and we're going to use the file name screenshot and the date .png. And from there, we're able to just take that file. And like I said, it's as simple, and I'm going to click over here back to our screen. It's as simple as running sh, take screenshot. And as you can see, it made a copy and it created the image. Now, like I said, I can do some little tricks here. I can do sh command screenshot, and it's going to let me take a picture. You can't see a picture of this, but I'm going to take a picture of, let's just say the clipboard window. And as you can see, it was that little clipboard window. Or let's take a screenshot of the area. Oops, it'll help if we open the right file. So sh, and then we're able to select a large graph of that. And then as you can see, these open. Now that's great for me because that allows me to quickly move and just type in sh. You know, I use a lot of hotkeys, and because I use so many hotkeys, I'm not able to constantly have just a hotkey for everything. I can't just do, you know, the Mac defaults, which I believe are Command 1 and Command Shift 2 and Command 3 that do all these different things. I use those for a bunch of other things. So having it directly in Alfred allows me to type some quick keys and quickly do exactly what I need to do. Let me know if you like this tip. Let me know if you have any ways that I can improve on this tip by leaving me a comment below. And also, if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. And let me know what you thought. Let me know some other ideas for Mac workflows. All of these workflows are ones that I've done by myself. I try not to do any of the pre-standard library ones just because you can always go in and download those yourself, and I encourage you to go out and explore. That's probably why you came to this video. If you're a PIP Premium member, this workflow will be available to you, and if you are not sure how to become a PIP Premium member, then head over to productivityintech.com, hit the join button at the top, and jump in today and become a premium member where we do a lot of really cool things. We have accountability, we talk about productivity, and more importantly, we talk about getting things done in our space. So if you're techie, if you're a developer, and you just want to work with other people like you in becoming more productive in your day-to-day in both life, work, and anywhere else we can help out, like I said, that's productivityintech.com. But that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. I'm Jay Miller. I'll talk to you later.